An XPT file crossing your desk means someone has shared a SAS Transport File, a format purpose-built for exchanging statistical datasets across platforms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you read, convert, or migrate this data with confidence. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling XPT files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. XPT files are SAS Transport Format datasets used by SAS Institute's statistical software for cross-platform data exchange. They are commonly required by FDA submissions for clinical trial data and store SAS datasets in a standardized ASCII-based format for portability. The SAS XPT files follow the SAS Transport Format specification with fixed width records containing a file header, member headers, variable metadata, and data values. The format is documented by SAS Institute and supports both numeric and character variables. SAS Institute defines SAS Stat as the main handler for XPT files. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows shows only surface-level details, while complete interpretation requires the intended application. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the XPT file and choose Open With. Use SAS Stat first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If your XPT file will not open yet, do not panic. We're dealing with a highly specific XPT file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, writing XPT files. Open XPT files using SAS software via the export library engine. In SAS code, use libname mylib sau export file.xpt to access the data. Alternatively, use R with the SASport package or Python with the pyradstat library to read XPT files without SAS. Next, converting to CSV. Use R's Haven package or Python's pyradstat to read XPT files and export the data to CSV for use in Excel or other analysis tools. The SAS proc copy procedure can also convert XPT transport datasets to standard SAS datasets for local processing. Finally, troubleshooting FDA submissions. For FDA electronic submissions, verify XPT files comply with CDISC ADAM or SDTM standards. Use the CDISC validator tool to check variable naming formats and label conventions. Non-compliant files will be rejected during FDA electronic submission review. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.